Well, I hope you boys are hungry, because we're having fish for dinner. What's up guys, James here, and today we're going to be doing some night fishing. So it's a relaxing day outside, and it's pretty nice. It feels like spring. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to catch some catfish and cook it up out in the desert. So we're in a city lake right now. I have some chicken livers, so let's give it a shot. All right, and now we wait. Damn, that's a good sized catfish. Look at that, that's beautiful. Channel cat. Oh, good sized little channel cat. Oh, hell yeah. Yep. Look at that. That's dinner right there. Alright guys, so we caught 2 catfish, 1 large blue cat and 1 good sized channel cat. And now we came out here to the desert and we're getting a fire nice and hot. Thick wood that we found, some lazy landscapers just dumped a bunch of wood, mulberry and stuff like that. So we're gonna get it nice and hot. So we have a bed of coals and we're gonna go like we did the way we did the carp. We're gonna get that bed of coals going and then we're gonna cook these fish right over the coals on a rock. So very primitive style. I didn't bring no pans, no olive oil. So we're gonna go like that. And we did get some veggies along the way. So we got some jalapenos, tomatoes, and onions, and tortillas. So we're gonna have some awesome fish tacos out here in this beautiful, beautiful land. And unfortunately, limitations in our recording equipment, you can't see just how shining the stars are going. And when I was gathering firewood, I saw a little herd of mule deer. So that was just really awesome. So great night. Alright folks, so meanwhile our fire dies down, so we have a bed of embers. We're chopping down our veggies. So we just chopped down some tomatoes. Now time to chop down these jalapenos. And for you knife nuts out there, I'm using the Green River knife. And I am loving this thing. I really love this knife. It's a flat grind, very thin, 3/32 inch thick. So it's very thin, so it's gonna be slicing and sliding through food. I use this pretty much every single day at home. Really good knife, so stay tuned for a review for that one. And I think that's enough onion. A little bit of onion goes a long way, especially when it's raw. So we'll put that away. And our veggies are ready, so just waiting for that to burn down. And then it's time to start processing the fish pretty soon. Fire's winding down. We're getting a nice bed of embers. We already chopped up our veggies, so let's start on these guys. So we're gonna start on the smaller fish, and this guy is over a foot long, so it's a couple of pounds, maybe 4 pounds. And yeah, we're not gonna fillet him. We're not gonna get all technical. We're just gonna go very simple and just gut him. I've already bopped him in the head, so he's already taken care of. And apologies, I have the sniffles. I'm fighting a cold right now. We actually had planned to not film a video this week, and we decided instead to go fishing and relax. But, you know, we can't pass up an awesome video like this. Okay, so we're keeping it simple. Just removing the entrails. Had we still been fishing, we would keep these entrails to use as bait. Catfish are notorious cannibals. So if we wanted some more, we keep using that. But we really don't. We're gone. So I already went ahead and removed all the entrails. Now there's just blood in here. I'll just rinse all this out and then season them, and he's ready to jump on the ashes. And I'm gonna get rid of these guts. So some lucky coyote out here is gonna have some seafood for dinner. So we're gonna start with this guy first, rinse him, and then season him. But yeah, he's already emptied out in here. Trying to get some of that slime off, some of the blood off. Now we're not, in perfect conditions. We're not in a kitchen, so we're just gonna have to rough it out. But it'll be fine. All right, time to pour some salt. Some pepper. A little bit more salt. And some cayenne, which is a mix of cayenne and garlic seasonings. I'm sorry, of Cajun seasonings, so. We're keeping it very simple, but we do enjoy good food, so. Spices. Alright, so this guy's just about seasoned. Now time to put him on the fire. Time to start getting this guy. That is a large blue catfish. This has to be my record of the biggest fish I have ever caught. I am a terrible fisherman, so I know some guys out there are gonna scoff at this and say that this guy's little, but for me, this is a record. So really good day. And earlier today, this video was not planned, by the way. So earlier today, I was messing around with my knife and I was doing one stick fire, so I was batoning with it and all this dumb things with it just because I was bored, and I didn't bring my honing rod. So normally this knife is sharper than this, but since I was pushing it, it's still sharp. It's just not as sharp as it normally can be, but it's still taking care of business. So time to get those, open this up and cut this bad boy out. Alright folks, so all the guts are out of the creature. Now we just got to rinse this out. And this is going to be quite a large meal. I mean, Jesus, this guy's almost 2 feet long. So yeah, it's going to be some good eating tonight. So we're going to cook the little one first, and then we're going to cook this guy right after. Alright, so we've had this bad boy cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. He seems pretty damn good right now. But we're still going to keep him getting hot over here. I want to get him away from the main cold, the main heat. I want to start putting our tortillas. There we go. And these shouldn't take too long. So, catfish is nice and cooked. It don't get more fresher than that. Then our tortillas are nice and hot. Time to munch. Alright, so this guy He's nice and cooked. So we're gonna start taking off pieces of them and placing them on the plate. And look at that. Nice and flaky. And we like the skin. Look at that. Damn, that's hot. I don't know if you can see the smoke steaming from it. Look at all that meat. And for those wondering, yes, I did wash my hands in between takes. Whenever we do catch and cook, or any time, honestly, we usually always have extra water and soap to stay clean, because you don't want to be, you know, getting bacteria and getting sick. So it's not worth getting sick. But yeah, look at all that meat we have here. A little bit of onion. There we go, and then we just season as need be. Time to eat. So we have fresh catfish, jalapeno, onion, tomato, and then I seasoned it with a little bit extra pepper because I love pepper. So, first taste test. Time to eat. Apologies on looking like a savage, but we were really hungry, and this is delicious. I mean, it don't get fresher than that. Really good stuff. Alright guys, so we're going to enjoy the last of our small catfish tacos. Meanwhile, our big guy cooks up. Now, this video was not planned, and we use our cell phones to record, so we're about to run out of battery. We're not going to be able to finish showing what we're doing. However, I'm really glad we did film this. This is my favorite part of getting outside. I love hunting and gathering. I love trapping and fishing and hunting and all that stuff. Now, because what we showed today, there's not a doubt in my mind we're going to run into trouble with the big guys that run this website because they don't like showing that kind of stuff. But me, personally, I think it's important and it's adventurous, and I want to share that with people and encourage youngsters to get outside and do it too. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, we do have a Patreon link to help support us with that. And that really helps us out with donations and stuff to get us out here and do more stuff like this, a lot more hunting and gathering and trapping. So anyways, guys, if you liked it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and comment below what is your favorite catfish recipe. So we're going to enjoy the rest of this evening, enjoy the rest of our dinner, and we'll see you guys next week with another video. Now go outside and get your boots dirty.